Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you a grease gun pistol grip from Amazon. We purchased around $23, 7000 psi. Look at this 4-jaw coupler, 7-inch extension pipe. Let's open inside and show you what's going on. I saw AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts. There are some expensive ones. Okay. This is the grease. You can refill as much as you need. Yeah. Some manual. I'll put the link in the description. Pretty big, right? So guys, I see this one, a little hole. Could be putting it like here. Same thing with this one. It's a little angle. And the third one is the most used one for just put it. So guys, I put it already. You can see. Okay, put some pressure. Nothing coming because they send it empty. Right. So now you just pull it out. Here is the grease. Now I'm gonna put this in. I'm pushing it all the way. This is pretty much in. And some pressure here. Now I'll close it. fry. It started coming. You can see. Here is our grease. And you poke hole with this one. This is pretty easy. You can use just your common sense and do it. So guys, you know it now. You just keep it in a safe spot and use it when you need it. It's a good product, so keep it away from the children because it's a pressurized product. Keep it closed all the way. Yeah. It's a great gun, guys. So it's gonna be used for multiple purpose, for my car, house, or anything that I need. And thank you guys for your time. Have a great day.